Hello my cherished viewers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. In this video we are going to give you series of steps on how to start a chili pepper farm, rice and a maize. Before you start any farm, you need to consider certain steps, certain factors. One is to consider that the soil is fertile. To know that, you have to take a sample for a soil test. If you don't have the ability to do that, then you have to make sure that your land is a virgin land. Nothing has been cultivated on the land before, and therefore is fertile for the crops. The second factor is to make sure that your land is close to a water source. If there is a river, that is a plus. If not, then you have to construct a borehole if you are thinking of doing all-season type of farming. The third is to consider that the land is close to a market. That is, if you are into farming for a commercial purpose and you need to sell them at the end of the harvest. If you're able to tick all this box, then you are good to start this your farm. In Green Choice, you see that our land was a virgin land, full of trees, and therefore we needed to cut down all these trees down, uproot all the stumps so that we can start our farm. We are going to show you step by step on how we did that in our next video. Before anyone criticizes me of cutting down trees, I'm the last person to degrade the land. To supplement all this cutting down of trees, we have about 2-acre teak plantation on our farm. We are going to do a separate video to show you all those things. To see the next video on what we did to our land, the mistake we did, the success, the right things that we did to be successful, then consider subscribing, click on the notification bell, and then also like our video. Please remember to comment. Tell us what you think about our farm. We are going to show you every step that whatever is going on this farm, so that we can all learn from it and then be consider also coming into farming, which I believe if we do will be a good thing for all of us. Thank you for subscribing. Bye.